We've been a partner on the SCAPE Regional Construction Framework for 2 years. In that 2 years, we have delivered in excess of 20 schemes for Derby City Council, right the way from feasibility through to in use. As part of that process, we're able to engage early with the client and with our supply chain to maximise benefits for all stakeholders. Part of that process also extends into delivering on our social value promises within the communities that we are working within.
So working with Stepnell through the SCAPE framework has been really good this year. We found that early engagement has been added value to the project, and it's necessary for some of the projects we want to deliver, especially given our timescales. It's also provided value for money, and I would say with it being a compliant means to the market, it's also beneficial for the council.
Projects we've delivered for Derby City Council are the concrete repairs to the car parks, the lighting at Derby Arena, and the summer school refurbishment works, which included roofing works, M&E, asbestos removal and new timber windows and doors.
Stepnells have replaced our windows and doors in quite an old part of our building, and the work has been outstanding. We've been really impressed with everything that they did. It's a lot more watertight now and a lot warmer within those buildings.
I think with Stepnell involvement in the early stages, it helps us with that early engagement to add value for money and make sure our pricing structures are correct, and basically we have market value. Sometimes we can use other information such as SPONs or BCIS rates, but Stepnell give that a little bit more with what's actually going off in the markets and how we can engage with all stakeholders to make sure the project's costed correctly, delivered on time and adds value for money.
I've personally worked with the team at Stepnell for over 20 years and have what I consider a wonderful working relationship with them. I think looking at the frameworks that Stepnell have worked hard to gain access to, and in particular the SCAPE, it's helped us tremendously with the working relationships that we have with Stepnells and the availability of the marketplace that it gives High Cross. It's been absolutely superb for all our staff, for our trainees, for apprentices. It's a really, really good environment to work with.
The added value Stepnell have given our students, our logo is improving the life chances of all our students, increasing their confidence within the workshops that's been offered, like the personal branding, transferable soft skills such as communication, working as a team. So Sue Woolett has been absolutely brilliant arranging all this for us.
The project teams we've used at Stepnell's have been very professional. They've given really good advice early on, and at the moment we found them a really good contractor to work with. Not only that, they have a good in-depth knowledge of construction and the SCAPE framework and how Derby want to work really with the contractors.
The main thing for building a relationship with the schools and consultants is maintaining constant communication to make sure that any issues that arise we deal with them quickly.
I was really impressed with the professional level that Stepnell's works. They always kept us informed of the timings of each area, of the work that they'd need to be doing, what needed to be cleared and when they would be arriving, and the timings of everything was absolutely spot on. So great work from Stepnell's.